Air Venturi's Seneca Recluse 357 PCP Air rifle is one that I've used for years. I've taken many deer, hogs, javelina, and predators with it, and have a lot of confidence with it in the field. The Recluse is a traditional sporter design I find very appealing. It's ergonomic and carries very well in the field. On this trip I was hunting a working ranch. Hiking in, I set up near a protein feeder down a valley that these desert pigs often transit. After about a half hour, a lone boar came through. This is one of my most used rigs for medium-sized game, providing everything I need in a hunting gun.